All right, folks, here we go. We're back with another video. Yeah, I put out a few videos. But check this out. Today, we're back with the Suburban. Now, we just have a few things to figure out. Now, I'm gonna get this all assembled and we're gonna mount this thing up. Now, I've got a welder over there. I don't think I'm gonna mess with some stuff. I'm gonna call my buddy. I'm gonna have him come over, take a look at this. But for right now, I'm gonna prepare these surfaces and we're gonna get those tacked on and welded up. So stay tuned because we're on it. All right, so from my understanding, when I put this thing on here, I need to have my wheels pretty much locked all the way to that point. And then I'll get this all mounted up and that'll be pretty much my locking point. I'll mount it up and then that'll be my locking point. As far as turning full passenger. That way I don't have to measure up all the other stuff. It's not full hydro, it's just a hydro assist. So from what I've gathered on the internet, now correct me if I'm wrong, if I'm doing this wrong, it's too late. I've already done it. What do you do? But putting it all the way that way, welding it up, and then I gotta bleed it, and then we should be good. Alright folks, here we go. I gotta clean off a little bit of this stuff here. Grind it down a little bit.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan. Your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be f***ing sour, take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder. And f*** all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought.
Alright, so stay tuned. We are going to get that welded on tomorrow. He came over, took a look at it. He's got to get his other welder and put it in the truck tomorrow. So he didn't have his welder as far as another job, but he's just gonna get his MIG welder, 220 volt, bring it over here. We're gonna throw it on tomorrow. So that's where we're at on this. Stay tuned. Tomorrow is the day. But in the meantime, we might give you a little sneak peek at this. Yeah.
Say loosen this one just a touch because it's kind of pinched.
Okay.
Otherwise I tack it, it's going to be really tight on that thing.
Just to wear the crown, I'm off at these fucking clowns who grew up taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it.
Alright folks.
I won't stop till they give me down. I won't stop till I wear the crown.
Mounting them on. Check it out, folks. I got me some Red Bull here. My daughter bought this Red Bull. Well, I bought it, but she got it on our trip to Vegas to pick up the Blazer. But I'm gonna drink it now, because I can. But, that being said, if you need some energy and you want to mix some stuff up in your water, Bucked Up, links are below. Go check them out. They got a lot of products. Just click on the link below. It says something about Bucked Up, and go get you some. But we've got these welded on here, those brackets. So we're gonna put this on, and then I gotta take off these fittings here. I think I can take those off. Yeah, I need to take those off. We're gonna take those off and install them on that right there. And then we're gonna bleed it. We're gonna bleed the power steering system. I don't know how to do that, so we're gonna look on YouTube and we're gonna figure it out. So stay tuned while I bolt this back on, and we'll go from there.
And you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all want a ring. Yeah, we all want to be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you
If it ain't one thing, it's another. Ugh. So, update. I've got these fittings on this ram right here, and I took these fittings out of this right here to put on there, but they don't fit. So now I gotta try to order. Actually, I'll show you. So I got the other fitting in the other truck, but so now I need to order an adapter for the bottom of this that this can screw into, but that it'll screw into over there. So I believe it's a 3/8 hose. I think he said a 3/8 hose fitting to 14 millimeter fine thread. So anyways, we're gonna do some searching around, see if we can't find that. I don't know where we're gonna find it, or if we're gonna be able to find it, but I got faith. I think we'll be able to find it. So I'm kind of bummed out. I was really looking forward to getting this thing on the road today. It was so close. I don't even know why I didn't think about that. Part of that's on me. I should have checked into that a little sooner, but I don't know if you can tell. Anyway, check out this little square body here, 75. And then we got the 82 Blazer we just picked up. Oh man, that thing is freaking sweet, dude. I love driving it. It's got a sweet stereo. It doesn't have a system, but it's got some fairly nice speakers, which are better than the ones in the Suburban. But anyways, so I think that's gonna wrap up today's video. I'm gonna try to get those fittings. I don't know when they're gonna be, but I'm just gonna put this video out there, put it up on the channel right now, and then when we actually finish and get that going and on the road, that is gonna be the next video. So the next video you see of that Suburban, we will be driving it. No more working on it. We're gonna work on it. We're gonna get those hose fittings and then it's gonna be on the road. That's the last piece we need. So stay tuned, but smile every morning, every night, and just smile in general, altogether, more often. Yeah. So peace out.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago. but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way